Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into a United Bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your United Bank account on your PC, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address bank with united.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of United Banking over here. Now in order to log into your account, you can see there is a login panel right for us over here. You can choose your account from over here, either it's your personal, small business, and with these, if your banking account is a different one than personal, choose it and enter your username over here or your user ID of your United Bank account, whichever may it be. And after that, click on the sign in button after entering your username over here. And after clicking on the sign in button over here, on the next step you'll be required to enter your password of your United Bank, and click on sign in and enter your password on the next step, and then you'll be signed into your United Bank account online on your computer. With that being said guys, this is how to log into your United Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.